B&S engine model 331877, type 1234B1. What is the proper gap setting for the exhaust and intake valves, and how do you set them?
Hello, I'm PopDaddy, and I want to assist you in your DIY project. Let's figure out your challenge today. The gap for both valves is 0.004. Make sure you have the cylinder at top dead center before any adjustment. I have some links to videos of your type of engine, not exactly the same but the procedure is still the same. http://www.youtube.com/watch v equals njzx puiklo and feature equals realmfu http://www.youtube.com/watch v equals hgkn0jr9rjm and feature equals realmfu. On your engine there is a rotator cap that will commonly fall down to the bottom of the valve compartment that belongs on the exhaust valve. Make sure it is in place before any adjustments. I would also do this: remove the spark plugs and turn the engine over to see if it spins freely or if it is straining. If it is straining, I would suspect a partial seizure in the piston cylinder area.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.